How to change your Snapchat profile picture. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to easily change your Snapchat profile picture or your Snapchat selfie. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. First of all, you will have to open up your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you just want to head over to your profile section at the top left corner. So as you can see, my profile picture, it looks like this right now. Now, if I want to change it, what I'm going to do now is just swipe down on this panel to bring out this menu right here. You will find different options like to change your outfit, change your pose and background, and change selfie. Tap on it. Here you will find a various amount of selfies you can choose from. So I have the default one, and if you want to change it, you can select the one that you like. So let's say if I want to change my selfie to something like this, I'm just gonna set this one right here and then tap on done. And once you do that, your selfie should be changed. So as you can see here, my profile pictures looks like this. So that has been changed successfully. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.